Hello everyone, today is an exciting day. Today is the final reveal for the primary closet. We initially started doing the demo at the same time we were working on the main bathroom. If you missed the past videos, I showed you how this closet's design came to fruition. The demo went, and the build of the shelving you see and the bureaus you see behind me. Next steps we have are to put the knobs on the bureaus and put the clothing rod up, and then we get to do an equally challenging project of putting all of our clothing in here. It's the first time we've had a walk-in closet to put all of our stuff. So really excited to get this going and show you the final results at the end. Before we could load anything into our closet or hang anything up, I had to install the supports for the clothing rods. I had pre-drilled the holes for these during the build when I tested the clearance for the bottom rods. So this time around, I just had to use an awl to restart the screw holes and insert each screw. With the support secured, I installed the clothing rods themselves. We chose to use metal rods coated in white, although we also could have gone with wooden rods instead. Even though I had previously installed the rods, I found I had to make some additional adjustments so they would fit properly. The lower left rod proved to be the hardest to reinstall. Somehow, the rod was too long by 1/8 of an inch. So I had to trim it down to make it fit. With the rods installed, I cut short strips of furniture padding to make sure that the rods were snug. Next step was installing the dresser knobs in the Tarva dressers. While Ikea includes wooden knobs that match their dressers in their packaging, we opted to go with economical stainless steel knobs so they would match with the bathroom vanity knobs. They add a nice, shiny, and elegant pop to the room. With the clothing rods and dresser knobs installed, it was finally time to move into our new closet. We had so much clothing to sort through and organize. We've now moved into our primary closet, completing our primary bathroom and closet renovation. This place feels so spacious. It's hard to believe that there used to be a hallway in this space right in front of me, and the original closet began right about here, and with just the one railing on the top. So lifting up that railing and adding the additional railing underneath has made all the difference. This is the first time we've actually had all of our clothes out, be able to see everything that we have on the shelves. We've otherwise been either suitcases or boxes, and first time we've had it all laid out at one time. I'll have more information about this project on my blog, eyecatcherliving.com. I've included a link to the website below. You'll find more information about materials and costs and the whole design process that went into this space. If you enjoyed watching this video, I encourage you to look at our other videos about the deck remodel, kitchen renovation, and all of our other projects that we've had going on. Feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this project, and please like and subscribe so you can keep up with all of our renovation projects. Otherwise, thanks for watching.